me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a header in Google Sheets. So unfortunately, if you are using Google Sheets, there is no direct feature where you can add a header like on Google Docs. So in here, I found this trick if you want to create a header. So if you scroll down, you can see there is no header because there is no such feature. So I found this trick. You can just use the freeze feature on Google Sheets. So in here, you can go to the view menu and click on freeze and choose the row, or you can also just drag the thick line in here, the gray line in here at the column at the top left corner. You can just drag to where you want the header to be. For example, I'm going to make the header until row 2. Just drag it like this. So when you scroll down, those two rows will still be there. So it function as a header. I hope this trick will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.